So a minor accident happens, but what comes next? Well, that reveals a huge problem in the insurance world.
For the customer, it's not just a small accident. It's a moment of pure stress and total confusion.
So, meet Ivana. She's just had a little fender bender. All she wants are clear answers, like right now.
She has some pretty basic questions, like what does her policy actually cover?
So what does she do? She grabs her policy thinking she'll find some quick, easy answers.
But instead, nope, it's just a wall of confusing legal jargon. Total nightmare.
And get this, her agent, the one person she trusts, on vacation, can't be reached.
So now she's just frustrated and totally in the dark. Not a great feeling, right? But what if we could just fix all of that? Well, that's exactly where AIVA comes in.
AIVA is built to translate that complex insurance speak into plain, simple English.
And just look at this. AIVA gives her instant, crystal clear answers. No more guessing. See, it's an AI that knows your policies inside and out. It speaks fluent insurance for you. For the customer, the whole process is just simple. Ask a question, get an answer. That's it.
That's the whole point. Simple answers in human language with zero waiting around.
Okay, so why should your business care? Because honestly, the stakes are super high.
And this is the key. Clear communication directly impacts your bottom line. It's that important.
The result is pretty dramatic. Customer frustration plummets, and their experience gets way better.
It's all about building trust. You're giving customers info they can actually understand and use.
So does insurance have to be a mystery? AIVA says no. The real question is, why would you want it to be?
Want to make insurance simpler for your customers? Check out their website to see how AIVA can help.